Hello everybody and welcome to this session on trigonometry formulas for class 11. This will cover all the formulae that we have learned in this session. Now 1 radian is 180 by pi degrees. To convert radians to degrees, multiply by 180 by pi. To convert degrees to radians, multiply by pi by 180. If this is a circle and this is the arc length, angle made at the center is theta, r is the radius, s equal to r theta, and for this formula, theta is measured in radians. Area of a sector is half r squared theta. Again, theta is in radians. Now, sine minus x is minus sin x, cos minus x is cos x, tan minus x is minus tan x. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. 1 plus tan squared theta is secant squared theta. 1 plus cot squared theta is cosec squared theta. These are very basic formulae learnt in class 10. Now this is a very important fact to remember. First quadrant, sin, cos, tan are positive. Second quadrant, only sin is positive. Third quadrant, tan is positive. And fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. So we remember it as all students take coffee or all silver teacups. Now when measured along the vertical axis, sin changes to cos, tan changes to cot, cosec changes to sec and vice versa. Example, sin pi by 2 plus theta will be, it's on the vertical axis, so sin changes to cos, and second quadrant sin is positive, so it is cos theta. When measured along the horizontal axis, sin, cos, tan remain the same. Now domain of sin is R, range is the closed interval minus 1 to 1. Similarly, domain of cos is R, range is the closed interval minus 1 to 1. For tan, the domain is R minus odd multiples of pi by 2 and the range is R. Cot, the domain is R minus even multiples of pi by 2 and the range is R. For cosec, the domain is R minus even multiples of pi by 2. The range is R minus the open interval minus 1 to 1. Sec, your domain is R minus odd multiples of pi by 2 and the range is R minus the open interval minus 1 to 1. Now these formulae are very useful in trigonometry. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. The next two formulae are extremely useful, used to solve many tricky questions. That is, sin x plus y into sin x minus y is sin squared x minus sin squared y. Cos x plus y into cos x minus y is cos squared x minus sin squared y. Then we have 2 sin A cos B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 cos A cos B is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Then we have sin A plus sin B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Sin A minus sin B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2. Cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Cos A minus cos B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin B minus A by 2. This is where you need to remember. Cos minus cos, the second term is sin B minus A by 2. So thank you and see you in my next course on trigonometry part 2 for class 11.